This is a most satisfying moment of my life with yoga in Kedarnath. In 2015, I went to Gangotri and Gomukh. I had some problem while coming back from Gomukh. Then I have started serious yoga from 2015 after coming back. And that paid me a lot that this time 16 kilometer uphill I have just completed on round about 11 hours and make it very comfortable for me that I have reached here, and after that there was no problem whatever on my limbs or my respiratory system. So yoga is that which can make it. This is my lifetime video that I am doing here in Kedar. Now I'll be, after the sun salutation, I'll be doing Bhastrika that strengthens the lung which you need when you go uphill. This is the way. Now I'll be doing fast Bhastrika. Who they have high blood pressure, please don't do it. That is going to give you the power on your lungs, and you can carry on whatever your age is, and if you have problems like bronchitis and asthma, it will go simply. So please do it. You must do every day, which is called Kapalbhati. It gives the strength from the food you take. So Kapalbhati is like it will go like this. After Kapalbhati, we can do Agnisar Kriya, which is in 1 minute or half minute. We just vibrate the whole abdomen like this. We will have some work on our feet and on our hands. So this is like that. Just stretch it. I can open it. I don't feel any cold, because once you do yoga, you don't feel any cold. So this is the way you will be doing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then you just rotate it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on your hands you have this. Just do it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 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 5. 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do practice Ashtanga Yoga. It has 8 limbs, 8 parts. Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan and Samadhi. I am mixing here some kriyas which is a part of asanas and pranayams, and then of course pranayams and some asanas. So asanas and pranayams we do practice physically. We are habituated with yam niyam, and that gives a way to reach to pratyahar, dharana, dhyan and samadhi, which is a little bit higher ups. So all these things are from this Adi Yogi. Bakrasan, it will give us strength the whole back area. Just you do it, fold it, left leg, so the left hand will go back and the right hand will hold. Yeah. It's very fantastic when you feel the ecstasy inside when you do it. That is then possible only when you finish it up with this kind of act which is completely perfect. Then right, just put it here and you do it. Then after that I'll be doing pranayam of going upwards, which is Anulom Vilom. You all know who are following my channel, but again I say doing yoga is a moment for me on the seat of this Kedarnath. So do it for some time, little time. Start it from the left. From the right you release. Again from the right you take and release on the left. Do it perfect without speaking anything, closing your eyes and feel inside. There are many more acts that I do give in my videos, in my yoga videos. Today I'll end this capsule here, small one. It is again I say that it is a moment for me to do yoga on the seat of Kedarnath. I'll be finishing my today's small session with Shishasana. Just like this, hold it, then open, just relax. In a really relaxed way, most relaxed way. And simply come down very slowly. Don't try to do it fast. It has to be very soft and very systematic. So, I want to show you around now that what is here in store. This is morning time, around 6:30 or 6:45. I came here at last night. I have given in my YouTube channel about the last days my coming to Kedarnath. You see, this is the place. The beautiful Kedarnath. So many people are here, assembled around. You see. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Ajang sasatang karanang karananang shivang kevalang bhasakang bhasakanam turyam tamo paramaddantahinam propadde param pavanam dvaitohinam. Om Triambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanan mrityurmokshamaamritat. Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat.